Taylor Eisman here doing my Project 4 reflection video. This might be a little quick because it's 10:21 p.m. my time, which is 11:21 in Florida. And I'm still working on my project. I just wanted to make sure to get this video to be able to post it. I'm going to redo this video and submit it. I know I won't be able to post it onto the link below because the project will be closed, but I'm still working on it. And wow, whoa, I've been having troubles with my Android emulator. I guess it's just extremely slow. I started it up about maybe it was a little bit before 10 o'clock, and it's 22 minutes ago, or maybe 30 minutes ago, and all it's been doing is saying Android across the screen. And now it's actually starting to, wow, that was really slow. I'm sorry for the pause right there. I'm just excited. This is the first time I actually got it to show me anything. And that is really cool. I'm actually very excited. That's really slow. I might just keep it open and minimize it the rest of the time. Let me see if it will. Wow. Okay. Unfortunately, launcher has stopped. Okay, wow. Basically, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to use this little my daughter's mirror on here to show you the screen, because I've been like Quick Player has not been working for me for a while now. I've reinstalled it, I've tried it, and it will not let me make a video or a new movie screencast or screen video or anything like that. It just freezes up and says it's starting or getting ready, and I have to restart my computer every time. I can't force quit it or anything like that, and it's really frustrating. But right now, unfortunately, launcher has stopped, so it took that long for me to tell me that it has stopped. I still want to see if I can get it to work real quick while doing this video. Well, here is, oh, I gotta move this around because I gotta see my photo booth to make sure you can see it. It's my app right here. Man, the reflection. Let me turn the light off. Does this work better? Nope. It is not letting me show you the links. Oh, here we go. Basically, there's my add a player form. My app info is just to experiment with other ways to target the header, and a button or a link inside the header. And it was just for the app info, just a pop-up or alert. And then I have my list of players here that basically I have it where I have Diablo 3 players or characters that you create or you make, and you want to save your list of players. So in here it has player classes, and each one of those that when you click, I'm trying to get it to where that's where it shows you the list from CouchDB to show you, excuse me, to show you the list of players under that class, and then the edit and the link will be under each one of those under the player details page. And like I said before, I am not complete with this, which I hope it will. Oh, man, sorry, my emulator is giving me another message. I'm trying to see if I can get it to work, because that screen's a lot bigger than that iPhone simulator. Because if this will work, I'm pretty sure that mirror will pick it up. But I have not had any luck with this emulator. I just clicked on the home button on it, and my computer's being really loud, or the fan came on like it's trying to do something ridiculous. But I don't know anything about the emulator. It could take a lot of resources. I don't think it should, but it could, I guess. Alright, let me see if I can open up. And of course, it's not going to work. Dang it. Try this. Come on, okay. Copy. Alright, well, that did not work how I wanted it to work. Let me put it's not working either. I'm gonna have to redo this and submit it again. Like I said, I wouldn't have time to do it before this post expired. I just wanted to make sure to have my questions and everything answered on here. I do apologize for that. I'm gonna leave the emulator running for a little bit longer, see if it's just trying to still load up or something like that, because it's not letting me. I click on something, it's not doing anything. The home button, the internet button, it's just sitting there. Okay, I'll just let it sit there for a little bit while I'm talking. Maybe it'll load up. But alright, let me get back to our. What went better than expected? What didn't go so well? Well, really, what didn't go so well was for some reason after the took out the CDNs, I was having troubles with that. When all I did was copy the same files and pasted it locally and linked to it, just how it would be if it was a CDN. Except it kept giving me an error message on my modernize error, and oh, Android did something. Oh, never mind, still loading. What was I saying? The jQuery mobile version, the 1.3.0.js, and some other, two of them actually had errors in it. Not all of them, but two of them did. And I could never figure that out. I kept doing it again. I went into Googled and pasted it again, and I got a different error message. So I'm thinking maybe it's something to do with my end on my code. So I am still plugging away on that. It's time consuming, and it's pretty tricky because we don't know everything. So it's a lot of reading to get what we want it to do, or the right calls and stuff that you need to make it work with CouchDB. That was a little tricky. Of course, that's why we're here learning about it. And there's great potential in this. I'm really wanting to have a further understanding over all of this. Go back over a few things to do stuff for the future. Previous courses did you rely on? Well, JavaScript and jQuery. Those were, well, JavaScript, being able to write the functions, and a huge help was console.log. The first thing we learned was the console.log to log out what we're doing to make sure it's working before we get too far ahead of ourselves, which I kind of got too far ahead of myself and didn't check enough. And then I also put a lot of notes in there where I didn't complete the function, or yeah, basically I didn't complete the function. I was just putting a note in there to tell me I need to have this, I need to have that, and I would lose it in between my other ones where I would forget to go back and look at it and be like, oh, that was just a note, that was not real, and things like that. So the debugging with the console.log was a real big help from previous classes. How did I enjoy work? The simulator works fine. That one, like I said, I showed you up here. It was really bad view. I apologize for that. But I have no idea, honestly, of why I cannot get a screen recording. I'd rather do a screen recording than my floating head. But I'm gonna try. Oh man, well, that just looks horrible. I'm gonna have to figure something out. The simulator worked really well. It's easy. It's actually relatively quick. There's like a little bit of a lag in it, but the emulator itself is paced as a snail. Like, this is the first time I got it to actually open. I've tried it a few times before, and I just thought I had to download more of those packages or something else. I Google searched it for a while, and then I just left it running. And like I said, it took about 20 minutes for it just to pop up, and it's still loading right now when I'm trying to go into the browser. Oh, that's insane. I don't understand exactly what is going on. Let me sit here and I'll try it one more time. I apologize for the length of this video. This is probably way too long, but I really wanted to see if I can get at least one of them to view better than because it's such a oh, it just went to the home screen. Let me try this again. It's such a big real estate compared to the simulator that I'm sure you could be able to see it better if I could just get it to open my project. Come on. Yes, it's not going to work. I better finish up this video real quick. I'm coming on to, wow, 12 minutes. Apologize for the length of this video. I'm enjoying this class. I'm enjoying everything we're learning from school. It's nothing to do with school. Like, I'm suffering with other things. But thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you had a great month, and I better get back to work because now it's 10:30. Wow. Yeah. Well, thanks again for watching. I'm trying to hurry up and finish this by the deadline tonight, and if not, hopefully by morning before this project's even looked at and graded. I understand it would be late since I would post it past the deadline, but that's better than what I got right now, because what I got right now is pretty bad. But I'm working on it and making some good progress, and I'm excited to what's to come, and hopefully it'll be enough to wow, sorry about that, the screen went black. Hopefully it'll be enough to pass. I really need to, and thank you for watching.